lovelies, good morning wherever you're watching from. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all good. Thank God for a brand new day. Yeah guys, today is another challenge, okay? Another workout challenge. Yeah, if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Kamsi, a mom YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, okay? Down below, subscribe and like, and remember to leave the bell icon on so that you always be notified whenever I post a new video from this channel. So guys, let's hit today's challenge, okay? Let's hit today's workout. You know, it's very good to work out every day. I've seen the benefits. I have really seen the benefits, in as much as these few days my joints are aching me seriously, but I don't want to look at the pains. I have to continue. So if you have started with me, please don't stop, okay? Let's make it to the end, okay? So let's start for today's So guys, today workout, I'm going to use the fitness equipment I have here, okay? So guys, I'm done for today's challenge. See you tomorrow. So by tomorrow, I'll be using this fitness equipment is meant for abs, okay? So I'll be using it tomorrow. But for now, I'm so exhausted. Though the energy stays there, but it's reducing. Let me not go kill myself. Nobody sent me for this, you know. So thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate your comment. Keeps me going, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Until I see you tomorrow. Please, if you have not started this challenge, start it. It will help you a lot. I always complain about my joint, but since I started it, the pains have reduced. Honestly, it's good to keep fit. Fitness is a good business. So, see you. Love you.